First up is the Wera 6006 Joker, the ultimate self-setting double spanner for your kit. This tool automatically adjusts to different screw sizes, making it incredibly versatile for tasks. The lever mechanism prevents slipping and damage to the workpiece while you are working hard. It replaces several fixed spanners, saving you massive amounts of space in your heavy toolbox. With its parallel jaws, it provides a secure grip on hexagonal bolt heads or various screws. The integrated lever mechanism ensures that the jaws close firmly on the fastener every time. This Joker is a game changer for anyone looking to speed up their mechanical assembly work. Meet the Kraftform Kompakt 900 Set 1. Built for the toughest screw-driving applications you face. This set features an impact screwdriver which can handle even the most stubborn, rusted screws. The impact force is converted into a rotary motion, providing the torque needed for release. It comes with a variety of bits that are specifically designed for high-impact use today. The Kraftform handle is ergonomic, ensuring your hand doesn't fatigue during intense manual labor. You get the power of a hammer and the precision of a screwdriver in one smart package. Protect your hands and get the job done right with this indestructible impact driver set. Safety meets efficiency with the Wera Kraftform Kompakt VDE 7 set for all electrical work. This compact kit includes an insulated handle and 6 interchangeable blades for various tasks. Every single component is tested individually at 10,000 volts to ensure your total safety. The blades are slim, allowing you to reach recessed screws and spring elements with ease. Switching between different tips is lightning fast thanks to the quick-release blade system used. It fits comfortably in a belt pouch, making it the perfect companion for mobile electricians. Trust Wera to keep you safe while providing the professional performance you demand every day. Next, we have the Wera 75116 VDE Safe-Torque Speed, a masterpiece of precision engineering. This screwdriver features an adjustable torque range to prevent over-tightening on delicate parts. It offers 5 selectable tightening torque keys and a fixed position for manual tightening tasks. The Safe-Torque mechanism ensures that once the set torque is reached, the tool slips. It is VDE-insulated, making it safe for live electrical work up to 1,000 volts total. The speed function allows for rapid screwdriving when torque resistance is currently very low. Experience the perfect blend of speed and torque control with this innovative Wera tool. The Wera 6007 Joker Ring Ratchet Spanner brings a new level of functionality to your shop. It features a unique holding function thanks to the replaceable metal plate in the jaw. This plate reduces the risk of dropping nuts and bolts, which saves you a lot of time. The limit stop prevents any slipping from the screw head, making high-torque applications safer. It has a fine-tooth ratchet mechanism with 80 teeth for incredible flexibility in tight spots. The double hex geometry provides a very positive connection with the bolt or the nut head. Grab this spanner to experience the precision and reliability that the Joker series is known for. For those high-torque electrical jobs, the Wera 410i VDE T-handle is the ideal choice. The T-handle shape allows for maximum power transmission with minimal effort from the user. It features an integrated ratchet with fine toothing for fast and very convenient working speed. The reversal lever allows you to change directions quickly without removing the tool from screws. This tool is fully VDE insulated, ensuring you stay protected while working on live systems. The ergonomic design fits the palm perfectly, reducing pressure points during long workdays. Upgrade your electrical kit with this powerful and safe T-handle ratcheting screwdriver today. The Wera Tool Check +1 is the ultimate everything-in-one kit for the modern professional. It packs a ratchet, bits, and sockets into an incredibly small and portable plastic case. The Zyklop Mini Ratchet is perfect for tight spaces where a standard tool cannot reach. It includes 28 bits and 7 sockets, covering almost any small fastener you might encounter. The Kraftform Handle Bit Holder allows you to use the bits manually with great comfort. This set is famous for its durability and the Take It Easy Tool Finder color coding. Never be caught without the right tool again by keeping this compact set in your pocket. The Wera 837i RA Kraftform handle brings ratcheting power to your VDE interchangeable blades. It features an integrated ratchet with fine toothing that provides a very small return angle. You can switch between clockwise, counterclockwise, and locked positions with a simple switch. The handle is designed to work perfectly with the entire Wera VDE blade system range. This allows you to work faster and more efficiently without having to reposition your hand. It is fully insulated and tested for safety when working on live electrical circuits nearby. This handle is a must-have for any electrician looking to modernize their daily hand tools. Revolutionize your electrical maintenance with the 6004 Joker VDE self-setting spanner set here. These 4 spanners cover a wide range of metric and imperial dimensions in one kit. The insulated handles ensure you can safely work on live components without any fear today. They feature a self-setting mechanism that automatically grips the bolt head very tightly. The ratchet function ensures fast and consistent screw driving without ever removing the tool. A 30-degree return angle makes it possible to work in the narrowest of installation spaces. Get the perfect combination of safety and speed with this unique VDE insulated Joker set. The Kraftform Kompakt 20 RAR is the quintessential multi-tool for every serious handyman. It features a ratcheting handle with a fine-tooth design for a minimal return angle. 6 bits are stored right inside the handle, making them easy to access and swap. The telescopic blade can be extended or retracted to suit your specific working environment. You can even remove the blade to use it as a bit holder in a power drill. This tool is built with the classic Kraftform ergonomics for maximum comfort and torque. Versatility and German engineering come together in this one highly portable screwdriver tool. Accuracy is everything, and the Wera Torque Lock A5 provides precision you can trust. It features a very easy-to-read scale for setting your desired torque value quickly. Once the value is set, the locking mechanism prevents any accidental changes during use. The robust design is built for industrial use and maintains its calibration over time. You get a distinct audible and tactile click when the set torque value is reached. The reversible ratchet has 45 teeth, making it suitable for work in confined areas. Ensure every bolt is perfect with the reliability of the Wera Torque wrench series. Keep your VDE sockets organized and ready with the Wera Belt B Zyklop socket set. This robust textile belt holds 9 insulated sockets and a convenient snap hook. The sockets are designed for manual and machine use, providing incredible overall versatility. A smooth, twist-to-unlock mechanism ensures the sockets stay put until you need them. The belt can be attached to your waistband or a tool wall using the fleece backing. Each socket is VDE-insulated and tested for safety up to 1,000 volts for your piece. Stay organized and safe while working on electrical systems with this portable socket kit. The Wera ball grip sets are designed for high manual torque and ergonomic comfort. The ball-shaped handle allows for high pressure to be applied during the driving process. Set 1 features a bit-holding handle, while Set 2 includes a variety of specialized bits. This design is particularly popular in Japan and is gaining fans worldwide for its feel. The Rapidaptor technology allows for lightning-fast bit changes with just one single hand. It is perfect for repetitive tasks where hand fatigue usually becomes a major problem. Experience a different kind of grip and power with the unique Wera Ball Grip series. The Kraftform Kompakt VDE 17 Universal 1 is the ultimate all-rounder for electricians. This 17-piece set includes 2 insulated handles and a wide variety of slim blades. The slim design allows you to access deep-seated screws without removing any insulation. It includes blades for Phillips, Posidriv, Torx, and slotted screws to cover all bases. The entire set comes in a durable textile pouch that keeps everything neatly organized. Every component is tested to ensure maximum safety when working on live electrical parts. Professional electricians love the combination of safety, versatility, and compact storage here. For professional bicycle or motorcycle maintenance, the Wera 9530 torque wrench set is king. This set includes a high-precision torque wrench and a range of compatible sockets. It is designed to handle the specific torque requirements of modern carbon and alloy parts. The click mechanism is very precise, ensuring you never damage expensive components again. It comes in a compact and sturdy case that protects the tools during transport today. The wrench features a reversible ratchet and a clear scale for easy value adjustments. Invest in the longevity of your equipment by using the 9530 set for every bolt. When space is at a premium, you need the Wera Kraftform Kompakt Stubby 1 driver. This extra small handle is perfect for working in extremely tight and cramped spaces. It features a magnetic bit holder that keeps your bits securely in place while working. Despite its small size, the ergonomic handle allows for surprisingly high torque transfer. 6 bits are stored inside the handle, so you always have the right tip nearby. It is the perfect tool for working inside cabinets, engines, or behind heavy furniture. Don't let a tight spot stop your progress. Reach for the Wera Stubby screwdriver instead. If you want the most comprehensive insulated set, The VDE Big Pack 1 is for you. This 26-piece set covers almost every fastener an electrician will ever encounter today. It includes 2 VDE handles and a massive selection of extra slim, interchangeable blades. The blades are designed to reach recessed screws without compromising on safety or grip. It also includes a voltage tester and a pair of high-quality electrical shears in the kit. Everything is housed in a robust textile box that is compatible with the Wera 2Go system. Work safer and smarter with the most complete VDE interchangeable blade set available now. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt 400 features a unique T-handle for maximum power and speed. This set includes a T-handle bit holder and a selection of high-quality driver bits. The T-handle design allows you to apply much more torque than a standard screwdriver. It features a Rapidaptor bit holder for quick, one-handed bit changes during your work. The ergonomic shape fits the palm perfectly, distributing pressure and reducing hand strain. It is ideal for heavy-duty assembly, where fasteners require a lot of force to turn. Upgrade your assembly speed and power with the innovative Kraftform Kompakt 400 set today. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt 100 is a massive 52-piece set designed for absolute versatility. It includes a bit-holding handle, a bit-holding screwdriver, and a huge array of bits. You also get a set of 8 impactor bits for use with high-power impact drivers. This kit is designed to cover almost every possible screw-driving task in one box. The textile box is surprisingly compact and light, making it very easy to transport. It uses the Take It Easy tool finder system so you can find bits quickly. Experience the ultimate in-tool organization and variety with the Kraftform Kompakt 100. Finally, the Wera 8009 Zyklop Pocket Set 3 is the ultimate EDC tool for pros. It combines a compact ratchet, a screwdriver, and a bit magazine in one tool. The ratchet head swivels freely, allowing you to use it at various different angles. It features a fine-tooth ratchet mechanism for working in the tightest of spaces. 12 bits are stored securely inside the handle, so they are always ready for action. The magnetic bit holder ensures that your bits and fasteners stay exactly where needed. This pocket-sized powerhouse is the perfect tool for anyone who needs to be prepared. Those are 20 incredible new Wera tools. Check the links in the description to upgrade your kit today. If this was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know your favorite tool in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.